T, tub, t.
Good job.
P, pig, p.
Great tracing.
I, itch, I, spider, I.
Excellent.
S, sun, s. N, nut, n. L, lamp, l.
Very good.
A, apple, a. Baby, a. C, cat, k. D, dog, d. Suffix s, s, and z, more than one.
Wonderful. Ready?
Yes.
Very good.
E, ing, e, ang, tool, ong, o, ung, or, ink, ch. Suffix es is more than one.
Very good.
Suffix ed, id, d,
And
happened in the past.
very good. D, E, down and away.
C-O-N, together. D-I-S, apart. R-E, back again. I-N-T-E-R, between.
We're going into our bases now.
R-U-P-T, erupt, to break. P-O-R-T, portable, to carry. J-E-C-T, eject, to throw. P-R-E-S-S, pressure, to push. S-I-S-T, resist, to stand. T-R-A-C-T, tractor, to pull.
All right, ready? Very close. Let's pull our tongue back just a little bit, and you're gonna say the r, r, r sound. R, r. Very good. Next.
D.
I see the line first. See if you can make a line with your mouth. What sound can you form with your lips closed? B. B. Very good. B. And we can trace it too. All right, let's look at this one.
P.
So we're gonna clip that extra sound off. P, p, p. It's an unvoiced sound, so get rid of that extra sound. What's this one?
I.
Oh, very close. What's our keyword?
E-edge.
What's the first sound in edge?
Eh.
Look at your mouth. Yeah, very good. So let's do that one more time. E, edge, eh. Excellent.